Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1140, and today's topic is in continuation, that is different technologies of artificial intelligence, and under that heading today I will be discussing about data science. And data science is also one of the subject of artificial intelligence, or we can say it is one of the domain or technology of artificial intelligence. We will be having data science, data processing, data management, and also big data, data mining. So all these things, they are all very important under artificial intelligence. And before going to that, I feel it to be an honor for me to brief the young generation, not only young generation, everybody, what is happening in Gaza with Hamas and Israel war. I am giving you the today's technology of artificial intelligence, how it is used. And it's really today's war, even in future war. Remember me, what I am saying, it is and it will be the war of drone, the war of frequency. That's all. So today's casualty I am going to report, and that is very interesting because today Hamas forces on ground with, that is they call a Merkava tanks, very sophisticated latest tank, and where when no frequency and no any technology can match and can destroy and damage. With that confidence, they tried to enter, and they are very sophisticated, laced with different technologies of artificial intelligence, image formation, then image analysis, all photography, all scanning around, that no object can come within the vicinity. And it was destroyed by the Hamas drone. Just now, two of the Merkava tanks, and now they have stopped entry. Because Hamas is capable of destroying, they have left that armored tank, Merkava, in number what they are mentioning in different mass media, in hundreds, 400 to 500. They have the capacity and they are manufacturing. So let me give you in brief what is Merkava tank. Actually the word Merkava is derived from Hebrew. It's a Hebrew word, Hebrew language. Merkava means it is, we can say, where the horse, they used to pull one cart, 4 or 5 horses, and very fast moving, and where divine spiritual God is there, and which has supernatural spiritual power related to prophet Ezekiel. That is the background of the meaning of Merkava, Hebrew word. I will give the explanation. So that tank is designed in such a way, like that, just I am giving you a rough idea. This is the tank, for example, and one man is sitting, and this is the gun. So what they have made it, and there is a door. So this we can say that is the very sophisticated Israeli tank of today's, and they discovered this tank. It was in 1970s, and now they have latest version that is called Merkava 4 series. And in this 4 series, it is laced with lot of artificial new technologies. That's why I am giving emphasis, a lot of emphasis. People, they don't understand. They take artificial language in a very simple way. very superficial way. That okay, just edit some photo and this cut somebody's neck and somebody's head and fit there and content. I think no. It has lot of technologies, and everywhere it is used, whether it is robotic, whether it is drone, whether it is tank, all are operated under artificial intelligence. So it is having big role, and today's human being, tomorrow's human being, their civilization is linked with digital and artificial intelligence civilization. With them. Without this technology, now our coming generation, human beings, they cannot exist. And without artificial intelligence, nowadays, I will be discussing later on, we have started constructing smart houses. Everything where there is a smart, artificial intelligence is there. So that smart house means you are not going to do anything. It is all monitored by your skin. And that skin means it gives the signal, just like internet. The moment you reach your house, it will recognize. By artificial intelligence, that is image, it will be opened. Lock will be a smart lock. The moment you reach, it will recognize. And that is called touch technology. Yesterday I wrote on Facebook, the role of touch technology, your body will work itself as a artificial intelligence or internet. So it's very complex nowadays. It's becoming day by day complex. And that's why I am giving lot of emphasis for young generation, school level, everybody, to understand what are the different technologies of artificial intelligence. If I say different technologies, means all those technologies, they are linked, they are supervised by artificial intelligence. So here, this their latest version of Merkava tank is under artificial intelligence supervision, because it was already produced in 1970s. It was not that much smart. Today it is smart with artificial intelligence. And let me make it very clear. I call them Palestinians, these Hamas or those who are in the West Bank, they are all fighting to liberate their country, their land, which is occupied by foreign people like Israelis. Very frank, I don't have any doubt. I strongly believe in two-nation theory. Palestinians are thoroughly cheated by international community under the umbrella of UNO. So they are fighting for their land. They are fighting with occupants. I mean, occupants are occupying their land, their country, where they fail to honor two-nation theory, and again they are killing them. So they have to defend. So in that case, when this Merkava tank, super tank, was manufactured by Israeli engineers, and they claimed that we are super. So they are doing lots of super. Iron drone, super. It was challenged last week. Everybody heard that Iron drone could not do anything when swarm thousands of missiles and rockets attacked. And here today, Merkava tank failed because drone, they are also using the same artificial intelligence technology like Merkava tank. With that artificial intelligence technology, with drone, they hit and opened the door and it was exploded. And they are shocked and they stopped entry because they are sure that all their tanks, so much sophisticated, so much costly, all will be blasted. So what is happening for any tank? One is top, one is bottom. Bottom is very strong. Very strong. Why it is very strong? Because it is moving on road, and sometimes they may put any type of, you can say, explosive, mining, road mining, and that may explode and hit here. So they cannot damage because it is very strong. The other one is very strong, top, because from top any object can hit. So bottom and top of any tank, whether it is Merkava tank of Israel or patent tank of America or India, top and bottom is very strong. Then there are people who are sitting, at least 4 or 5 crew are there. They are operating everything. 4 to 5 crew members or tank members. So they need door. So there is door. This is door. Door of Merkava tank. And that door area is actually weak area. Because always they are opening and going inside, and definitely they cannot make very, very strong, because there should be provision of closing and opening. Entry, going in and then coming out. So door is weak. So what they tried from their drone, this is the drone, so it was having RPG. So RPG there was guided with artificial intelligence. This is the drone of Hamas. What happened today? So they dropped this RPG, and this RPG is a type of explosive. It came and it directly hit the door of Merkava tank, and it exploded. And this, according to this technology, near Merkava tank door, there is explosive. That explosive, some small grenade and all these things are kept for their local purpose. That if that tank is moving inside town or city, and any road or any house is coming, they can throw and destroy, damage it. So once it entered there through door, that RPG fired by unmanned aerial machine that is called drone by Hamas has destroyed today two. They're very prestigious Merkava tank, and both of them, whether it is Israelis or Hamas, they are using the different technologies of artificial intelligence. And what happened? Since this Merkava tank, these Israelis are using since 1970s, and day by day they went on improving. And those Hamas people, they were helpless because it was difficult, it was impossible to attack and get success because it was always failure. So what they did within that 10 to 15 years time, they did research and thoroughly studied every part of Merkava tank and to find out which place is the weakest place. And at the same time, we should not undermine. There are some very, very top-ranked senior military generals, military scientists. They are also teaching them how to counter such type of artificial intelligence technologies. What Israel is having. Israel is claiming that nobody can reach because of their super technology. They are supernatural. That's why the word Hebrew is used, Merkava. But world is different now. Artificial intelligence is flowing everywhere. In bushes even. Those who can catch, they are using. Anywhere. It is nobody's private limited. Whether it is Israel or America or India, whatever. It can be used anywhere. So I know, but I will not disclose this thing, that definitely Hamas group of fighters, they are getting full artificial technology training, and they are well equipped, and they are using the same matching technology like this regular army of Israel, because they want to create greater Israel, Jewish country, to capture other area of Palestine, and they have to fight back. And for that, there should be matching technology. They cannot fight with the horse, with the sword. They have to fight with artificial intelligence technologies, combined with robotic, combined with drone, combined with image formation and nuclear magnetic imaging also, scanning also. Lot of frequency applications are there with different technologies. So that I'm going to discuss one by one. Sorry, I'm in suit because I'm delivering lecture. Hello everyone. So I have given in writing a very clear picture about the latest technology of artificial intelligence which is used in this warfare. Number one, Merkava 4 times. So the latest, newest tank with fully loaded technologies and under different artificial intelligence applications, so sophisticated, that is called Merkava Merk 4 tanks. It is Israel's newest series of Merkava tanks, and it was developed and commenced in 1970s. These are the tanks today Israelis are using against Hamas in Gaza Strip ground attack. So they went with these tanks. Nowadays, if you go to Google, you can see the picture of all those Merkava tanks which they are using. Is open in open air by Israeli Defense Forces, that is called IDF, that is Israeli Defense Forces. Merkava 1 officially was commissioned, that was in the year 1979, and they went on improving. So today's series is, that is Merkava 4 tanks, and they are the most modern and newest tanks in the year 2023, which they are using in Gaza Strip, with artificial technologies like artificial imaging, processing by AI detected technology, and also artificial intelligence scanning technology. So all these different tools or different technologies of artificial intelligence is installed in this Merkava 4 tanks. Number 2, today Merkava 4 tanks were attacked, that was in 2023. It is, I think, on 20th of October. They started ground force, try to enter, and immediately the drone of Hamas destroyed the 2 Merkava tanks, and it was shocking and surprising that how it is destroyed by Hamas drone armored technology backed by AI called asymmetric warfare strategy. This is the latest, very sophisticated strategy of war Hamas is using, that is called asymmetric warfare strategy. Is a very latest, and they got this technology with this training. Some senior scientists are teaching them. Otherwise, it is not possible to have such strategy by Hamas or any group rather than regular army. So they are getting the knowledge of different technologies of artificial intelligence. So the asymmetric warfare strategy they are using. With that, that's why they were able to open the door and attack the door, the weakest point of Merkava 4 tanks. Is because of this strategy that is called asymmetric warfare strategy. Nowadays, Hamas is expert in this strategy after doing lot of research on the weakness of Merkava 4 tanks. They studied for 10 years how to destroy this tank of Israeli, and they found door is the weak area of tank. So drone with latest AI technology from very close distance attack Merkava 4 tanks, and that failed to intercept RPG fired by a drone. Actually, what happened? This another very tricky strategy they applied. They selected such a distance, few yards, and from that few yards, they just drone attacked. So that these Merkava 4 tanks, so sophisticated, were not designed because whatever data of artificial intelligence you give, that one will only output will come. So it was having to give the output for certain long distance. They expected that any RPG or any object or any type of missile or rocket will come from certain distance, not very close, and from very close, which was not in their range, and they attacked, and it could not intercept. So this is called asymmetric warfare strategy. So it is shocking and surprising. So let me give you that the Merkava word, from where it originated, the origin, history of Merkava. Actually, it is a Hebrew word, and this Hebrew word means chariot, and chariot is type of, we can say, horse called, where 4 or 5 people are sitting, that type of cart, which is pulled by 2 or 4 horses, is called chariot, and is also spelled, Merkava is also spelled in Merkava, and Merkava is also in Arabic, in Hebrew as well as in Arabic. And in Arabic also, Merkava means some head or some superior, something like that. And it became the object of visionary contemplation for early Jewish mystics. And Jewish mystics mean it has some spiritual value. So from religious and spiritual value, they brought this terminology, this word, Hebrew word, that is Merkava, and on that they have given the name to their tanks with different series, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is Merkava series of tanks. Now number 4, data science. Data science is having a lot of broad meaning, and it is very important branch of artificial technology. It has big data, it has data mining, so lot of technologies are there which is associated with data. So this domain of artificial technology, artificial intelligence technology, we can say AI, may deal with data. So this branch of technology of artificial intelligence may deal with data. That is, data may be structured and unstructured data, and specific methods to use it in artificial intelligence. The applications, the data science is a field that uses scientific methods. That is scientific methods, and that is also process of algorithm and system to extract the knowledge and insights from many structural and unstructured data. So this is the meaning of data and its application. Let me give you one example. I have given a note. If your artificial intelligence AI powered humanoid means robotic, is given this all the data knowledge, structured and unstructured, past data about your food. So whenever summer will come or winter will come or seasonal weather will come, according to that data is already there, past data. It will advise that no, today in the month of March, 10th of March, you should eat this type of food which is good for your health. is more nutritional. In winter, already past data is there, it is processed. Structured and unstructured data. Humanoid will advise, no, today in December, harmattan is there. You have to use this type of food, maybe porridge, maybe hot, maybe ginger. So like that. So all humanoids, they are given lot of your past data, and on that basis, I have already mentioned that now lot of smart houses are coming, smart locks, and so many applications are coming, which are based on branch, that is data science, with different technology of artificial intelligence. So here I am using in my lectures what latest artificial intelligence technology is used in warfare, what is going on, so that all the young generation and we all should understand the today's warfare of frequency and artificial intelligence. With this, I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.